أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تحلوا شعائر الله ولا الشهر الحرام ولا الهدي ولا القلائد ولا آمين البيت الحرام يبتغون فضلا من ربهم ورضوانا وإذا حللتم فاصطادوا ولا يجرمنكم شنآن قوم أن صدوكم عن المسجد الحرام أن تعتدوا وتعاونوا على البر والتقوى ولا تعاونوا على الإثم والعدوان إن الله شديد العقاب. صدق الله العظيم.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have standing through our Abishmays are delighted to be here today with you at Al-Aqsa Hall to share us celebrating our class assembly. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to the principal, organisers, teachers and students. All of them have been working since the beginning of the planning stage and they are still here today for you. Ladies and gentlemen, when spiderwebs unite, they can tie up a lion. Cooperation is one of the most important characteristics of creatures in the universe. No creature could ever live alone without assistance from its fellow creatures. Birds live in flocks and they cooperate with one another. Animals also live in herds and they go hunting or grazing together. Man also cannot live except by cooperating with others. We need one another. You are in need of a doctor, an engineer, a teacher, a craftsman, a baker, a carpenter, a blacksmith, a pilot, a train driver, etc. No one in the entire world can ever master all these jobs. Every professional needs its assistance of others. By cooperating, life continues smoothly. But if there is no cooperation, life would come to a standstill. We warmly welcome you again.
bundle to his youngest son.
Can you break that bundle of sticks, my sons?
No, Father, I can't. The boy tried to do so.
Then give the bundle to your brother. Someone can do it.
No, Father, I can't. No, Father, it's impossible. No, Father, I can't. No, Father, I can't. No, Father, I can't. No, Father, I can't. It's impossible. No, Father, I can't. No, Father, I can't. The brothers all tried, but with the same result. The old man untied the bundle and gave one stick to each son.
Can you break one stick, my sons? Can you break one stick, my sons?
Yes! Said the youngest man, and each broke his stick.
You see, if you are united and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. And don't act like the three balls, my sons.
What are the three balls?
Sit down, my sons. I will tell you the story. Once upon a time,
3 bulls pastured together for a long time. On the side, a lion watched, afraid to attack while the bulls stood together. So the lion contrived to deceive them, to separate the bulls to be on their own. And next, the lion attacked as they fed along, to feast on them one by one at his own leisure.
Yes, the Father is right, and this is how we want you all to work in the school. And this is the only way that we can achieve more, like how we wish all Arab countries work together. Union is strength. Union is strength. Union is a great strength. The child shapes the man, and there's no man who has not been shaped by childhood. That's why all nations around the world cooperate and work together to kill Arabs' childhood, to kill innocents, to kill us. On behalf of ourselves and brothers in Iraq, in Syria, in Libya, in Yemen, and Palestine, ask you why you not cooperate to save us, to protect us. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why.
in my dream, children sing a song of love for every boy and girl. The sky is blue, the fields are green, and laughter is the language of the world. Then I wake and all I see is a world full of people in need. Tell me why does it have to be like this? Tell me why wasallam is the prime example of cooperation. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam is the prime example of cooperation. May Allah be pleased with him. He was cooperative in all circumstances. He used to hit his wife in the household affairs to outside the house. He was cooperative with his companions by doing some acts.
The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? The more we sing together, the more we sing together, the happier we'll be. The more we sing together, the more we sing together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we sing together, the happier we'll be. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? The more we sway together, the more we sway together, the happier we'll be. The more we sway together, the more we sway together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we sway together, the happier we'll be. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? The more we dance together, the more we dance together, the happier we'll be. The more we dance together, the more we dance together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we dance together, the happier we'll be. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? The more we clap together, the more we clap together, the happier we'll be. The more we clap together, the more we clap together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we clap together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we clap together, the happier we'll be. the groups. This is a repeat after me song. Say what I say, do what I do. Let's have fun. I said a boom, chicka boom. 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 I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One more time. One more time. Coaster style. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom. Oh yeah. One more time. Super style. I said a boom, super dude. I said a boom, super dude. I said a boom, chicka rocka, super dude. Oh yeah. One more time. Spooky ghost style. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom. Oh yeah. One more time. Yucky style. I said a boom, chicka boo. I said a boom chicka boo. I said a boom chicka rocka chicka boo. Oh yeah. One more time. Rapper style. I said a boom chicka yo. I said a boom chicka yo. I said a boom chicka rocka chicka yo. Oh yeah. Yo yo yo. Boom chicka boom. Yo. Oh yeah. One more time. Squeaky don't stop.
I Suggestion. 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 Suggestions. 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 Suggestions.
Our English language teacher asked us to do a play scene with the new vocabulary words. We were my characters, Arab people and Americans. Arabs were walking, Americans into people. They were timid to fight and ran away awkwardly. Arabs were pleased, and then they created a plan and attempted to use cooperation to be better. Americans did not want to get involved with. They became stronger than them because they cooperated. The end. Thank you for listening.
أولياء الأمور الكرام، قبل ما نبلش بالإند شو سونج، But I'd like to draw your attention that if you want to take your son, please from the school upstairs, okay? يعني من الانترناشونال بيلدينج رح ناخذ الطلاب كلهم بالباصات. أي ولي أمر حابب يستلم ابنك ما عندنا مشكلة بس لو سمحت من المكتب. Thank you so much.